Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Chandigarh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Mysore. They are looking for the position like franchise development manager. And if you see the key responsibilities for this job role, like you are responsible for increase the numbers of the franchise and business partners, and you have to identify and research potential markets to launch a new franchise and advise CEO or board of new opportunities. And you have to identify and locate potential franchise in the selected markets, discovering and exploring opportunities, screen potential franchise by analyzing investment requirements, franchise potentials and financials, and experience and vision. And you have to finalize the deal with a franchise by negotiating terms and conditions of each franchise agreement. And you are responsible for the launch and development of the franchise as per the agreed terms and conditions. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here. Interested candidates, you can go through the link given below in the description box to apply. Next one, there is a job opening for English content writer in Cyber Panthers. And if you see the job summary, like they are looking for content developers to be responsible for developing the content of the websites. And coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, like you are responsible for developing the content of the websites, promoting or advertising it on the web, and the work will be according to the projects they will get. And coming to the required experience and qualifications, like you have good written English skills, and this is a full-time job opportunity for you. And the office address also given here. And if you are interested, you can check in the description box for the link. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist, and it is from Azure customers. And if you see the job requirements, like they are looking for 1 to 3 years of experienced candidates in digital marketing, and the person should be a quick learner. Working in Excel and data analysis is a plus point, and working and dealing with overseas clients is a must. These are some requirements mentioned here. And if we see the benefits for this position, like it will be best place to learn and grow, and they are a small teams specialized in digital marketing and exposure to multiple domains in digital marketing, and salary will be on time, and there will be official leaves and office parties. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for senior web developer in Just Hubs. And if you see the job requirements and responsibilities mentioned here, like you should have strong knowledge of Liquid programming language, and experience in working on Shopify is a plus, creating landing or product pages from design mockups, creating new apps and maintenance, clear concepts of HTML, CSS, JavaScript or jQuery, and you should have strong hands-on install and customize a new Shopify theme, working with the team to improve websites UX or UI, and working with Shopify scripts to create offers or discounts, and creating new modules such as subscriptions, cashback module, etc. These are some requirements and responsibilities mentioned here. Interested candidates, if you are fit for this job role, you can check in the description box for the link. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for customer service representative, and it is from DJS Home Delivery, and they are looking for candidates with excellent communication in English for voice process of UK based logistics, and candidates having prior experience in international voice will be preferred. These are some job description. Interested candidates, you can go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for senior quality analyst, and it is from Dizzy Mantra Labs. And if you see the requirements, Like you should have SQL development skills, like ability to write and troubleshoot SQL code, and knowledge of performance tuning and the query optimization, ability to model, analyze and manage large volumes of data, and you should have strong knowledge of indexes, index management and integrity checks, and how statistics works, how indexes are stored, how they can be created and managed effectively. These are some requirements mentioned here, and if you are interested for this job role, you can go through the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for immigration counselor, and it is from JS Overseas. For this position, you should have at least 6 months of experience in this job role. And coming to the required skills, you should be counseling ability to communicate effectively and concisely to the clients, and you should have problem solving and customer service skills, and familiarity with computers and the internet, and you should be sales oriented and target driven attitude, outgoing and positive with a passion to learn and grow, and you should be team player and strong relationship building skills, and you should have good communicational skills. These are some skills mentioned here. Interested candidates, you can go through the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing manager, and it is from Excel part. And if you see the qualifications required for this job role, you should have 4 years plus experience in digital marketing, SEO and SEM, technical content writing and content creation skills, and in Google Analytics and in social media marketing, and you should have excellent communication and organization skills. Digital marketing for services, product or intellectual property based organization, and the candidates should have bachelor's degree or equivalent, fluency in Microsoft Office suites like Outlook, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. And you should have experience with Google Analytics, SEO and SEM, strong written and verbal and collaboration skills. These are some requirements and qualifications for the desired candidates. And if you are interested for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. You can go through it. Last one, there is a job opening for customer care executive, and it is from Millions Corp Private Limited. And if you see the job duties and key responsibilities, processing orders and managing from start to finish, update the same in portals, make calls professionally to provide information about customer orders, products and services, take or cancel orders or obtain details of and complaints, and keep records of customer interactions and transactions, recording details of inquiries, complaints, and comments, as well as actions taken. These are some responsibilities mentioned here. And if you are interested for this job role, you can go through the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.